Hi everyone, hope you're doing good. In this short video I will show you all there is about duplicating layers and objects in After Effects. Things are a bit different in After Effects compared to other applications and even Adobe applications. In After Effects you need to be careful about what you are duplicating. For text, objects, images, PNGs, Illustrator files, and essentially everything other than compositions, the duplication process is fairly simple. You would just select the layer or the object and hit Command D in Mac and Control D in Windows. And once that is done, you can do whatever you want with the new duplicated layer or object. You can change its color or you can change its content, anything. You are the king of the jungle. You name it. You can do it with your layer, but when it comes to compositions, things are a bit tricky. So let me import the project here to show you what I mean. Okay, great. Now let me open this comp folder and drag this logo reveal comp into my layers pane and also add a text as well. Let's type in hi as its content and draw a shape as well. Just make sure that no layer is selected. Okay, good. So we can duplicate text or shapes and get unique copies. This means that we can change it without affecting the original object or layer. So select text and hit Command D in Mac or Control D in Windows. Now we can change its content. For example, say hello. Well, as you see, the other text is still high. The same goes for the shape. We can duplicate it and change its color, for example, and it won't affect the other shape. For this comp layer, it is not this easy though, and this is intended. You will see what I mean in a minute. Let's duplicate this comp layer, hit Command D or Control D in Windows. Okay, let me resize these two to have both of them in the window so you see the change. What is unique for each of these layers is the properties that in layer level they have. So their transform property, or if they have effects, these things are unique and independent for the layer, and changing it won't affect the other layer. But if we navigate inside the duplicated layer and hide the logo, for example, and navigate back, you see that both original and copy now is affected and changed. This is because After Effects uses the same source for their content. What does this mean? Well, let me right click on this layer and choose reveal and the reveal layer source in project thing. Okay, see, this layer derives its content from this layer source in our project pane. How about the other layer? Let's see, right click, reveal and reveal layer source. Okay, as you see, both layers use the same layer source, and that is the reason behind this behavior we faced earlier while trying to change the content of this layer. So how we can go around this and make this layer truly unique so that any change on it won't affect the other layer? It is easy. We need to make sure that it uses another layer source. So select the layer source for the duplicate layer and click Command D in Mac and Control D in Windows to duplicate it in our project pane. Now make sure that this new duplicated layer source and the duplicate layer are selected, then hit Command Option and then slash. So it is Command Option slash in Mac or Control Alt slash in Windows to replace it in our layer pane. Okay, good. This will work if we don't have a nested composition in our duplicate layer, or the change that we want to make does not concern a nested composition. Right now, I have hidden the PNG, so as far as my composition is concerned, I'm okay. And I can unhide this without affecting the original layer. Let's get back to this scene and move the time frame a bit. See, the change is only in this duplicate layer and not in the original layer. Why do I want to also change the nested composition? Well, in that case, we need to follow the same procedure for all nested compositions inside this duplicated layer. So let's do so. Right click reveal layer source. Okay, now click on the layer source and hit Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to duplicate this layer source. Now make sure that this new duplicated layer source is selected along with our layer down below, and then hit Command Option slash on Mac or Control Alt slash on Windows to replace the layer with our newly duplicated layer. Repeat this for all the nested compositions and you have a truly copied and independent layer for yourself. Well, that is all there is to duplicate in After Effects. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe if you liked our content. We will have fresh videos every week for you.